Today I'm showing off this Soe 4x4 RC truck that actually gets up to 30 miles per hour. What I want to show you is that you've got these metal rims, rubber tires. It resembles like a Ford F-150 monster truck or a racing truck. It has steel shocks, all-wheel suspension with metal on the bottom. You can take off the cover with these 4 cotter pins, which are easily just able to be removed. And when you lift the body off, you can see it's got a cover that holds 1 battery, but the power of this truck to get up to 30 miles per hour and all that extreme climbing is using this dual adapter. And what this dual adapter allows you to do is actually connect 2 batteries to this system. So I'm disconnecting one. I'm going to put both batteries into the adapter, stack the batteries on top of each other, and plug them into this adapter. These white adapters here actually go into the power charging unit. And what's great about this system is you can actually go on Amazon and purchase additional batteries, the 7.4 volt LiPos, 1500 milliamps, so that you can continue racing. So I've got the 2 batteries in here, and because the battery is so large when you put both of them on, what they give you is a Velcro strap to strap these on. So I'm going to strap this Velcro strap over the batteries, and we're going to put the cover back on. We're going to take it outside and do some racing with it. So just secure these batteries in, and then you can just put the top back on. One of the things before we go outside though I want to show you is the tools that come with it. They give you a tire wrench, they give you extra cotter pins, and the box that comes with the truck is nicely professionally designed. Looks very high-end, even though you're paying 1/3 to 1/4 of the price of those name brand that starts with a T type trucks. But again, 1 to 10 scale, the 2.4 gigahertz, 4-wheel drive, and the manual basically gives you the entire parts listing and the schematics. So if you want to do your upgrades, you want to do some maintenance, you want to order additional parts from the hobby store on Amazon, gives you clear directions on how to use this remote. And to show off this remote, it's got the little foam traction, and just a little bit of turn, or given a little trigger, just a tiny bit of the trigger, this thing will accelerate quickly, but then it stops without jerking. And you'll see that when we go outside. You got your front going forward and reverse, and you got your high speed and low speed, and your truing and trim.